Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. I'm Laura and this content's all about house repair, home renovation, DIY and upcycling furniture. Today's project, two bedside tables, mahogany, dated, old, scruffy, scratched, and we're going to change them into something hopefully that's vibrant, fresh, modern and give almost that Scandinavian appeal. Let's see what we can do. You just caught me on a quick tea break. I'll be honest, this happens quite frequently. While you're here, every week I'm going to be uploading a new video. Each video will have two different versions, one a 5-minute version that's designed to sort of pique your interest. The second, a 12-minute version, give or take, that's designed to give you more information, tools, materials, tips and tricks, and often product reviews. Cheers. These finer detailing sections, don't worry about going over the lines, going over onto the edge. You don't need to masking tape it because we are going to sand it back. We'll let it dry, sand it back so as it doesn't look exactly perfect and it has no harsh lines and it blends more into the timber. If you're enjoying this video, then please do subscribe. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to see content-wise, then please put it in the comments tab just below and I will get back in touch as quickly as possible. If you're currently doing an upcycle project, then do get in touch with us on our website. We've got a page dedicated to our community and we'd love to see your hard work. Cheers. Oh, don't forget, take before and after photos. To the bitter end. If you've enjoyed this project, then do let us know. If there's something different that you would have done, then again, tell me, I'll be in touch. If you would like to subscribe to our newsletter, we've got information of upcoming projects, what we're going to be doing, ideas, competitions that we're running at the moment, in addition to celebrating our community's best work. Cheers. Okay, so a real simple, easy thing to do to test out your paint. Ooh. What are you doing? It's not have dogs around in the house. Whilst you're trying to do it. Go on, shoo, shoo, shoo.